Imagine waking up one morning and discovering that your country no longer exists. Not conquered, not defeated, erased, its borders gone, its government dissolved, its name removed from the maps of Europe. For most nations, that would be the end of the story. But for Poland, it was only the beginning. For more than 100 years, Poland would survive without a state, without an army, without independence. Yet somehow, it never disappeared. And the reason can be found in a song that carried hope across generations, a song that reminded millions who they were, a song whose opening words would become immortal. Poland has not yet perished, so long as we still live. This is the story behind Poland's national anthem. Long before it vanished from the map, Poland was one of Europe's largest and most powerful nations. Together with Lithuania, it formed the vast Polish-Lithuanian Commonwealth. At its height, the Commonwealth stretched from the Baltic Sea deep into Eastern Europe. It was a land of merchants, scholars, soldiers, and farmers, a nation known for its diversity, its culture, and its unique political system. While much of Europe was ruled by absolute monarchs, the Polish nobility enjoyed remarkable political freedoms. For a time, the Commonwealth stood as one of the continent's great powers. But history can be cruel. As neighboring empires grew stronger, Poland grew weaker. Internal political struggles, foreign interference, and years of instability slowly undermined the state. To its powerful neighbors, Poland began to look less like a kingdom and more like an opportunity. Between 1772 and 1795, three powerful empires made a decision that would change European history: Russia, Prussia, and Austria. Rather than conquering Poland through a single war, they divided it piece by piece. The first partition shocked Europe, the second weakened Poland even further. The third destroyed what remained. In 1795, Poland disappeared. Its borders vanished. Its government ceased to exist. Its people suddenly found themselves citizens of foreign empires. For the first time in centuries, there was no Polish state, no Polish king, no independent Poland. Many believed the nation had reached its end, but they underestimated something far stronger than armies: the determination of a people who refused to forget who they were. Across Europe, Polish patriots searched desperately for a path back to freedom. Many placed their hopes in revolutionary France. A new force was reshaping Europe, and at its center stood a young military genius, Napoleon Bonaparte. To countless Poles, Napoleon represented possibility. If France defeated the old empires, perhaps Poland could be reborn. Thousands of Polish volunteers joined French forces. Far from home, they continued the struggle. In northern Italy, special military units known as the Polish legions were formed. The soldiers carried no illusions about the difficulty ahead. They had lost their country. Many had lost family. Many would never return home. Yet they continued marching, because they believed that one day, Poland would live again. In the summer of 1797, a Polish writer and political activist named Józef Wybicki arrived at the camp of the Polish legions in northern Italy. What he saw left a deep impression. These soldiers had lost everything. Their homeland no longer existed. Their future was uncertain, yet their spirit remained unbroken. Wybicki understood that armies need more than weapons. They need purpose. They need hope. And so he began to write, not a military order, not a political speech, a song that could travel wherever Polish hearts still beat. Within days, he completed the lyrics. The opening line would become one of the most powerful statements in Polish history. Poland has not yet perished, so long as we still live. The message was simple. Poland was more than territory, more than borders, more than governments. As long as its people survived, Poland survived. The melody was based on a popular Polish folk dance. Simple, memorable, easy to sing. The soldiers embraced it immediately. Soon it spread far beyond the military camps of Italy, across villages, across churches, across secret meetings, across generations. Children learned its words. Families sang it in their homes. Patriots carried it wherever they went. The occupying powers could control territory. They could control governments, but they could not control memory, and they could not silence a song. As decades passed, the anthem became something greater than music. It became a declaration of survival, a reminder that Poland still existed, even if it could no longer be found on a map. The years passed, then decades, then generations. Wars reshaped Europe. Kings rose and fell. Empires expanded and collapsed. Yet Poland remained divided. For 123 years, there was no independent Polish state. And still, the anthem endured. Each generation inherited it from the last, not as entertainment, but as a promise that one day the nation would return. The words written in Italy continued to inspire people who had never seen a free Poland. The dream refused to die. Then came the First World War. One by one, the empires that had divided Poland began to collapse. Russia descended into revolution. Austria-Hungary disintegrated. Germany was defeated. The political landscape of Europe was transformed. And in 1918, after 123 years, Poland returned. A nation reborn. A dream fulfilled. A people reunited under their own flag. The song that had once inspired exiled soldiers now echoed across a free homeland. History had finally caught up with hope. Today, the anthem is known as Mazurek Dąbrowskiego. Millions of Poles know its words by heart, but its true significance goes far beyond patriotism. It tells the story of a nation that refused to disappear, a people who kept their identity alive through culture, through memory, through language, and through song. Its most famous line remains as powerful today as it was in 1797. Poland has not yet perished, so long as we still live. For more than a century, those words carried the hopes of an entire nation. A nation that existed first in the hearts of its people, and only later, once again, on the map. Because sometimes the strongest countries are not the ones protected by armies, but the ones remembered by generations. And that is the story behind Poland's national anthem.